Hey everyone! Welcome back to part 3 of our Python tutorial series. Today, we're exploring essential string techniques, converting numbers to strings, indexing, slicing, and even reversing strings without functions. Let's dive right in.
No, I didn't show you one thing. Like you are converting a number into if it is in string format, you are converting into number, right? In the same way, here also you can take a string. Like you can take one number, okay, and you can convert into string. For example, a is equal to some 14 you are having. Okay, if you take type of a, if you take type of a here, it is a hint, right? Similarly, you can convert this thing. Okay, how to convert this? How to convert this is very easy. Just see. Here I'll convert some a is equal to str of a. Okay, now check it out. You can convert a number into string also. Okay, you can convert a number into string also. Okay, just see. Type of a. It's giving some error. Okay, a is equal to str of string object is not callable. Yeah, someone is texting. Why string is taking only one single quote when it is giving up? It is just like while assigning, it's just a syntax actually. You can take it with the single quotes or double quotes. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Some hint. It is unable to. String object is not callable. It is given. Okay, but we can change it actually. Hmm. Okay, it's showing a string object is not callable. It's assigned like a string only. Okay, we'll see this thing. Fine. Let's focus on this thing. That is just because of some updations, sir. Okay, that is just because of some updations. Don't feel that sometimes your latest version of your Jupyter will erase some. Sorry, sir. It's str of a. No, Rakesh. Syntax is like what I have given here. Okay, okay, fine. Once see here, right? Fine. I have deleted it, right? Sorry. Okay, sorry. Syntax error. Mine only. I'm thinking str of a. This only. Previously, we are taking hint of right. How str of a? String of a only, right? How you can get that way? It's showing that not callable. A string object is not callable. Okay, you won't get that way, Rakesh. 1 minute. Basically, this doesn't arise this part actually. You should not get this way. I don't know why you are getting this. Yeah. We need to restart the kernel, but it's okay. You can try it out. Like if you want, I'll show you in some other Python thing. If you want, you can check it here. Okay. It's just a kernel issue. If you take any online Python compiler, no, this doesn't show this error. I was shocked by saying that's what I'm telling you. It's a kernel issue actually. You won't get this error here, see, even if I take some values. For example, a is equal to 40 I'm taking now. Maybe these are assigned values now. We cannot tell that way. We'll see. Some s is equal to str of a. It should not raise any error. Here, just print the type of a, type of s. Just run it and check. It's showing C here, string. Okay, because of some kernel issue, you may get this sort of things. Maybe it might be because of the update version of your Jupyter also. I'll be using this Jupyter for various things actually. Okay, everything I use for different enable functions like YOLO models, pretend models, and all. It may raise this sort of things. Okay, but you got it right this thing. Even if I copy this thing and if I paste it, na, still it raises some error. You can check it out. Okay, this raises an error, but it's not. So you can remember this thing. I'll write the code like this. Okay. Just remember this thing, just because of the some kernel issue this time, not because of the syntax. Got it right? You can convert a number into string actually. Okay, and a number thing into like if you're taking any values in string, na, that you can convert into number also. Okay, but alphabets you cannot convert. Okay, only numbers can be converted into numeric values. Remember that thing. Okay. Next, chalo, you got it right here, how to take these different values. Okay. And your index value starts from 0, like here, st of 0, if you take, you'll get the first element. Okay. St of 0, you'll get first element. Even you can check, even for space also, you'll be allocating some value here. Okay. St of 1, it returns a empty string. For space also, you are giving some value here. Okay. Don't feel like for only characters you are giving values. Okay, you are giving some values for space also. Remember this thing. Okay, and try to attend all the classes. Maybe this will be little slower in the beginning. Why? Because we need to consider the new people also, right? Who are not familiar with this programming languages. That's the reason I'm going little slower in the beginning. But upcoming classes will be very good. Like when we enter into data science concepts. Okay, we'll deal with a lot content in data science classes. And definitely it will help for everyone. Sure, this content will help you all. Like why? Because content will be totally different. I take only real-time scenario while dealing with data science. Okay. And similarly, your index start from 0, right? Similarly, you have some negative indexing. Why I'm telling this all things is like when you take Python, string is very important concept. Okay. You need to deal a lot with string. Okay, you have some negative indexing. Okay, how you'll get the negative index? See, for example, st of -1, it will give the last element. Okay, if I mention this, you can see you are getting eating, right? What is the last element? You are getting g. Okay, either you can access from the beginning with the index value, or you can access by using the negative index. It's up to you. Okay, how you want to take. And next. We'll deal with slicing and strings. So slicing is very important concept when you deal with Python. Okay, we use this slicing concept in list also. Okay, I'll tell you. Like in range also we'll use for generators we'll use slicing concept is very important. Same concept you'll have everywhere. Okay, slicing and strings. When you take this slicing, how you'll declare the how you'll declare like how you I'll tell you the syntax for this. Okay, if you take any string, you'll have a start. Okay, you'll have start and you'll have end, you'll have steps. Okay, and by default steps will be one. I'll be explaining that part also. Okay, you have taken st, right? You know you have taken st. Now st of some values I want to give. Okay, initially I'm not mentioning anything. St of 1 to 4 or some st of some 4 to like this also you can take. Okay, I like eating ice cream you're taking, right? You can take this way also. Okay, and st of, see here, up to 4, I'm just taking 1. It gives the same thing. Initially what we have taken, it gives the same thing. Why? Because by default step is 1. Okay, by default step is equal to 1 here. You need to remember this thing. By default your step is 1. What is this step? You may have this sort of doubt, right? What is this step? What I'm talking about? Okay. Start end, I'm not giving anything. Step I'll take two. You can see. For normal string and this string, there will be some difference here. This is a normal string and this is step two. Okay. One, you are leaving one space, you are taking L, and you are leaving this and you are taking K. Okay. And you are leaving E and taking space. Okay. You are leaving E, taking A. Okay. In this way, you can take steps. And you can also take steps like this, like three or any value, any number of steps, however you want, you can take that steps. Okay. And even, you know how to take a reverse of a string. Okay. Malayalam, you have different palindromes, right? For palindromes also, this will help you in a very easy way without creating any function. By using slicing concept, you can use this. And it is not an inbuilt method also. Okay. Logic is very easy. Okay. Without using functions. Okay. Reverse of a string without using functions or any inbuilt function. It's very simple. See here. Just this is a syntax. In this way, you can take the reverse of any string. Okay. And try to show the same code. Like maybe and if you are attending any basic interview, na, they might ask you this sort of questions. Okay. They'll ask you to print the reverse of a number or check for the palindrome. Okay. Use this sort of coding there. Okay. Getting it right. And here also, you can use some steps also. Okay. In the same way, you can use some steps also. Same, I have shown you previously. Okay. If you do reverse of this now, if you
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 4, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials from Sklassics Technologies.